Okay, this is the base oriented on the floor where we want to put the lift, and it is facing the door where the door is going to be, and the unfinished parts are in the back. You'll see the LiFT logo is oriented in this way for the front. You'll remove the 4 bolts for the hex. And you'll remove that to run your extension cord from the outlet into the base and connect the power strip. So you lift the base to put the extension cord. That must be a grounded extension cord that does not come with the lift. Set the base back down, plug it in. So you're going to leave the hex floor off for the next few steps, and then you're going to find the panel that's going to be going to this far right. See the hinges, and that'll be set in place right there. As you're assembling the walls, you're going to use this tool that's provided to tighten down and secure the locks.
So don't be confused by the locks rotating different directions. The locks are opposite of each other. So that one lock will rotate clockwise, one lock will rotate counterclockwise, and they have a natural stop. There's no need to force it or use any force.
For this panel, you're going to feed the cord into the hole.
Good, watch your fingers.
Yep.
So the lid takes 2 people. We do have 3 here. And you need to feed the cord in before setting the lid on top of the walls.
Let's go ahead and get those ending in place. Good.
Okay, you're going to take the black cord and plug it into the power strip underneath here. You don't plug it into the extension cord, it actually has to go into the power strip. Before putting the hex back on, you want to test the power. And we have power, woo! If you do not have power, make sure that the power strip is on and the extension cord is plugged in. First door is on, pretty easy to insert into the hinges.
I just need to re-grab it.
When removing the plastic, you want to be really careful not to just pull on it. Just move it to the side. Okay, there are caps to put over the cap holes. Voila. There are also caps for the hinges in the plastic bag that comes with the lift. Voila. So you're going to find and unwrap the speaker hatch cover. From the ladder, you're going to set the hatch cover next to the opening in the top of the unit. From the ladder, install the speaker into the speaker cradle directly below the opening in the top of the unit. Take the end of the speaker power cord and plug it into the speaker. Yes, plug it into the speaker. Can you see that? And then you put the cover on. So I'll try to do this with one hand, but your hi-fi walker is hardwired into your speaker that is up there. And when you do your session, you just gently tuck it up here. The music will be playing, and then you get in.